Welcome back Skill Courses channel. Today we have an exciting topic to cover, Internet fundamentals. We will dive into the basic of how Internet works and explore its key components. So let's get started. The Internet, short for interconnected network, is a global system of interconnected computer networks that enables communication and information sharing across the globe. It is a vast network infrastructure that consists of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks, all linked together using various technologies. The Internet allows the individual and organization to connect and interact with each other through a wide range of services such as email, websites, social media, online gaming, video streaming, and file sharing. It provides the platform for accessing and disseminating vast amount of information, facilitating global communications, and fostering collaborations on a scale that was unimaginable before its existence. At its core, the Internet functions through a set of standardized protocols called as Internet Protocol Suite (TCP/IP). This suite defines how data is transmitted and routed between different devices connected to the Internet. It ensures that information is divided into packets sent across the network and reassembled at the destination. The Internet has revolutionized numerous aspects of a modern life, including education, business, entertainment, research, and social interactions. It has become essential part of our daily routines, empowering individual and organization to access information, connect with others, conduct business, and explore new opportunities on a global scale. The Internet has a global network of computers that are interconnected and communicate with each other using common set of protocols. It allows the information to be shared and accessed across the world. Here are a simplified explanation of how Internet works. First, device and connections. The Internet involves the variety of devices such as computer, smartphone, server, router, and more. These devices are connected to each other through various means like wire or wireless connections. Second, protocol. Protocol are a set of rules and standards that govern how data is transmitted and issued over the internet. The most fundamental protocol used on the internet is the Internet Protocol, which assigns a unique address and each device used to connected to the network. The data packaging. When you send or receive data over the internet is broken down into smaller units called packets. Each packet contains a portion of data along with the addressing information. Fourth, routing. Routers are the key components of the internet infrastructure. They receive packets and make the decision on how to route them efficiently to their destination. Router examines the destination IP address of each package and use the routing tables to determine the best path for the data and reach its destination. Fifth, transmission. Once the packets are routed, they travel across the internet infrastructure, which consists of a complex web and interconnected network owned by various organizations. These networks, including the internet service provider, exchange data with each of using high-speed link. Sixth, Transmission Control Protocol (TCP/IP). The TCP/IP is a set of protocols that defines how data is transmitted and received over the internet. TCP ensures reliable and delivery of data by establishing connections, sequencing packets, and handling error detections and corrections. IP address and addressing and routing of packets across the internet. Seventh, request response model. The internet follows the client server model when you access the website or use of online services. Your devices act as the client and the server respond to your request. This communication happens through protocol like Hypertext Transfer Protocol for web pages. 8. Data exchange. Once the package each of destinations, they are reassembled in the correct order and the data is extracted. This could be a web page, an email, a file, or any form of digital content. Ninth, internet service providers. ISPs are the company that provide internet connectivity to individual business and organization. They maintain the necessary infrastructure and connect their network to the broader internet. 10. Security and encryption. Given the open nature of the internet, security is crucial. Encryption protocol like security socket layer or transport layer security helps secure data transmission, ensuring privacy and integrity. 11th, World Wide Web (WWW). The most of the popular application of the internet is World Wide Web, often referred to as a WWW. It is a vast collection of interconnected web pages and websites that are accessible through a web browsers. When we think of the internet, the web is usually what comes to mind. 12th, IP address. Every device is connected to the internet has a unique identifier called as an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is a numerical label assigned to each device, allowing them to communicate and send data to each other. IP address either can be a IPv4 or IPv6. 13. Domain names. Remembering the IP address for all the websites we visit would be quite challenging. That's where domain names comes in. They provide a human readable address that are easier to remember. For example, instead of typing an IP address, we can simplify enter youtube.com in our browser. DNS, domain name system. When we enter the domain name in our browser, the DNS translates it into corresponding IP addresses. DNS servers act as a directory for a domain name, mapping them to the correct IP address. This translation process happens behind the scene and allows access websites using domain names. This is simplified overview how the internet works. In the reality, the internet is a vast, intricate system with the numerous technologies and protocols working together to enable global connectivity and information exchange. Conclusion. We cover the basic of internet fundamentals. We explore the World Wide Web, IP addresses, domain name, DNS, protocol, packets, ISPs, internet backbone, and internet security. The internet is a vast and ever-evolving system, but understanding these fundamentals is a great sharing point. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or you want to explore more about internet, feel free and leave comment below. Don't forget to like this, share video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until the next time, stay connected and keep exploring the incredible world of internet. Thank you.